Hey, what is up? I am from Anime Brothers, and I thought I'd do just a quick video. They just announced Brook's English voice actor, and I was extremely surprised to hear who it was. And if you don't know who Brook is, he's from One Piece. He's the skeleton guy, and everyone's been wondering for a while, like, who's it gonna be? It turns out it's Ian St. Clair. If you don't know who he is, he plays Toriko plus tons of other characters, and when I first read that, I was pretty skeptical, and I did not think that he'd make a good voice actor at all. I mean, not a very good voice for Brook, but the truth is, after watching the video of him doing a couple of the scenes from Strong World, he works for it, so it's definitely epic, and I'm really glad that they found someone that works. And I love Ian St. Clair, and he's one of my favorite voice actors, so it's cool beans that he does work out for it. And if you want to check out the video and the article below, I'll post it in the description, so check it out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, and I will talk to you later. Peace out.